Hi Earthlings, join me on a magical journey as I explore the stunning Hwaseong Fortress in Suwon, South Korea. This isn't just a fortress, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a total K-drama fan's dream. Recognize it? Yep, it was featured in My Love from the Star and other iconic shows in K-dramas. As you stroll through its ancient gates and along the fortress wall, you will feel like you're stepping in right into your favorite K-drama scene. And just a short walk away, it's Haenggungdong Village, with its traditional hammock houses, vibrant murals, and cozy cafes. The blend of history and culture and K-drama vibes is seriously unbearable. If you want to see the whole video, continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!
Recording these little foot thingies that we're stepping on, the ancestors. We want to tour the fortress.
Tour the fortress.
Is
Yeah.
there fee?
It's free.
Okay.
It's free.
General guide would be great. Which direction do we go?
Where's the entrance? Thank
Great.
you.
Thanks for your
Have a
help.
nice day.
You
Thank
too.
you.
So,
It's bad for your knees. Is it bad for your knees? It's so high. We should have a recording Can you go inside?
Go inside.
Oh, nice. This is where they put the guns.
Shoot the arrows.
Can't see. stop recording. Let's go. You can walk on the walls. Here you can see the
This
entire
is number 7. Century outpost of some sort. Guard post.
northeastern guard post.
Where they would say, ooh, the canyon.
Ooh, that's a cannon. Like when they're gonna shoot the White Hotel.
White Hotel.
Yep.
Very nice.
Ooh.
Roll it up.
All the way. You can see the entire city. But now there's buildings. You can't see anything now. The enemy approaching. No.
I know. Continue down to number 8.
Number 8.
Next steps.
Oops, that's big. Northeastern Bastion.
You can quit anytime you want.
No, we go to that balloon. See the big balloon there? Okay. No, we can just continue.
Jog. Do our jogging path.
Yeah. This is our 10,000 steps.
It is very hot.
Yeah. No clouds. No, there's clouds not above
Just
us.
Not near the sun. Between the sun and us, I guess I should say.
Okay, stop recording muna. Stop recording.
You don't have to be that close.
I can.
You're going to distort it when you yell at it. That's what I'm
You
saying.
think? And down. So it's an entire city.
Pretty much going to walk around the city. There's a lot of old rock wall next to us.
It's like Intramuros.
What is Intramuros?
It's
The
a
name
walled
of
city, yes, in Manila.
Yep, it's like that.
Yeah. And there's peephole there to see enemies.
That's where they pee from. Pee holes.
Peep holes, not pee.
Oh.
Peep. The Northeastern Artillery Pavilion.
I'm
That-
sure.
Oh, it's
God.
closed. Let's speak. So it's like easy. What is inside? Nothing.
Went down.
There's nothing in there. No. Yeah. See something there. Alright.
Where's your self-stick?
Did not bring it.
You did not bring it.
I did not bring it. I just want to look. Wala lang. Hot day. It says it's what?
Hella hot. It's freckle hot.
It's a freckle hot. I don't see. How is your niece?
He is okay. Probably be sore later.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. Sorry.
I want to see your fortress.
Been here? No.
Have I been here? I don't think so. I've been to places like this. Maybe I've been here. I'm starting to wonder if I've been to Nami Island. I did to go to some winter place, but it was in the winter. And they had snow and they had like ice sculptures and stuff.
Did you take a ferry?
I don't remember, but I do remember something about a passport. they like treat it like it's its own country, like as a pretend country. And I'm thinking maybe that I saw something about passport online, so it may be the same place. But like I said, I went when it was snowy, and it was lots of ice sculptures, like they do on the beach. You know, they make all bunch of sculptures. It's snow type. You might enjoy that better.
Snow, yeah. My skirt keeps flying.
Get a breeze up your skirt.
Yep, call it.
Your vagina's whistling.
It's really funny.
It's like we get to go to a higher up empty space.
Where's the balloon?
It's down now.
Going down.
Just the camera's looking straight down. That's your goal. Water. Look at the water. It's like a shoe-off kind of place.
That's it. Or they just want to shoot us off.
What I said. Shoe-off kind of place.
There's a duck.
Oh, near it.
Please take off your shoes. Sure. You know
Oh,
what?
lots of ducks. I didn't see them. They blended with the rock.
Oh, there's a big bird. Yeah. So good. You don't want to go in? To cool down a little? See that big bird there?
Yeah, it's a sport, I think.
What?
Brings babies.
Yeah. It's so nice. Cool here. She's walking in the back with the box. Stop recording. You could see the entire city from here. Maybe we can go on the wall.
Yep. We can go the other way to the palace.
Yeah.
The wall. Stop recording. Like, how hard would it be to get one of these copies?
Stop record. Yeah, Hwaseong Gate.
Work?
Yeah, I did. What is this place?
These are stones with old squiggly lines.
Ooh, it's a pulley.
That's what I want to see, the machine. looking at those buildings right now.
Wait.
And this
Sir?
and they all have it. Those buildings that these homes are. Could be doing that with me.
What is this? Japanese token. Sasko. It's
Hotel. It's not made for foreigners, whatever it is. We should be really somewhere shady.
yeah, that's no.
I'm the most precious animal capable. I love coffee.
Ang gulo ng buko. Oh, daway, daway. Let's go inside. If you reach this far on my vlog, leave a comment below and I'll message you. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.